Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for organizing customer feedback, your full 2025 guide. First off, you'll need to log into your teamwork.com account. This gives you access to all the features you need to organize customer feedback. Now that we've done that, it's time to navigate to the Projects tab, because that's where you'll create a new project specifically for customer feedback. The reason we do this is to centralize all feedback in one place, making it easier to manage. Next up, click on Add Project and give it a suitable name, like Customer Feedback 2025. This helps us because it specifically designates a spot for all your feedback, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Now, once you've created your project, it's time to add task lists. Let me explain why this matters. Task lists serve as categories for your feedback. For instance, you could have task lists named Product Feedback, Website Feedback, and Service Feedback. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task list is a bucket where you can drop relevant pieces of feedback. Moving on, you'll need to start adding tasks to your task lists. Each piece of customer feedback is a task. For example, under Product Feedback, a task might be Customer suggests adding a new feature. This helps us because it breaks down the feedback into manageable, actionable items. Lastly, it's important to assign each task to a team member. The reason we do this is to ensure that someone is responsible for addressing each piece of customer feedback. Now let's quickly recap. We've logged into teamwork.com, created a project for customer feedback, added task lists as categories, dropped feedback into these categories as tasks, and assigned tasks to team members. This process helps us keep track of all customer feedback and ensures it's addressed in a timely manner. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, organizing customer feedback is crucial for improving your product and service. Make the most of teamwork.com to keep everything streamlined. Until next time.